In this video, I will show you how you can charge your AirPods 4. Now, to do that, just look at the bottom of your AirPods 4. Now over here, you will find the USB Type-C charging port. Now to charge your AirPods, just simply use a USB Type-C charging cable and plug the charging cable into the charging port. Now after you do that, you will see this orange LED starts lighting on your AirPods case, which indicates that your AirPods has started charging. Now you can use any charging cable, but I recommend you to use Apple's original charging cable with your AirPods. Now this was the first method. The second method is that you can charge your AirPods using your iPhone. For that you will need a charging cable. Now just plug in one end of the charging cable to your AirPods. Then plug in the other end of the charging cable to your iPhone. Now if you have an older iPhone, your iPhone will have a Lightning USB port. But if you have a newer iPhone, as I have over here, your iPhone will have a USB Type-C charging port. And as you can see, as I plug in my iPhone into charge, our AirPods will start charging, just like that. And this is how you can charge your AirPods 4. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.